Dank. Thank you, Dieter. So another welcome address on behalf of the Media Board. My name is Petra Müller, and I'm the Managing Director of the Media Board Berlin-Brandenburg. Media Board is the Berlin-Brandenburg's institution for film and film funding and the media region development, located at the cradle of the German film industry, the famous Babelsberg Studios, at about 30 kilometers from here. Dear Dieter, ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to the first edition of the Berlinale keynotes. Mark Thompson, the Director General of the BBC, recently described the current situation in the media industry as follows, I quote, "The second wave of digital will be far more disruptive than the first, and the foundations of traditional media will be swept away." Some of you might not entirely agree with Mr. Thompson, especially with a kind of negative connotation of the term disruption, but his analysis seems to be quite on target. After decades, I remember my first conference on this topic in the 1990s or 1992, the data highway thing, and I don't know what it was. After decades of debating scenarios of our digital future and 7 years after the burst of the internet bubble, the digital revolution finally has arrived. It has arrived in our everyday lives, and it's just about to transform the entire framework of the film and media industry, bringing with it fundamental changes to the production, distribution, financing, and most importantly, the usage of audiovisual products. New players are entering the content business, leading to major changes in market structure, presenting the traditional film industry, as Dieter said, with new challenges. Film and media professionals all over the world are now faced with the question of what this paradigm shift has in store for them. When you simply look at today's entertainment news, they sound like this. I mean, literally today. Complete TV shows on YouTube. Lionsgate recent deal with iTunes will make it, along with Disney and Paramount, a film supplier to Apple's download store. Taking a leap into the future on several levels, Sony Pictures Television International has signed a landmark agreement to exclusively acquire all international television, internet, digital sell-through, gaming and mobile rights to Afterworld, a futuristic animated episodic drama, pronunciation problems as well. Okay. So on and so on and so on. So we can see these changes go far beyond the mere additional distribution platform idea. It's the content itself that is changing. All products will become interactive, and this afternoon we will see the fusion of film and video gaming. At the same time, the role of the consumer is changing. Consumers are taking advantage of interactive platforms such as YouTube, MySpace, and Google to become their own producers, the so-called prosumers. Against such a backdrop, such radical changes, and here in Berlin I think we are expert in changes, we feel that it's inevitable that a major industry gathering like the Berlinale, attracting an ever-increasing circle of professionals from different spheres of the industry, should take an in-depth look at the future of the moving image. And so the idea of the Berlinale keynotes was born, I think at September. The goal of the Berlinale keynote is quite simple: to establish a new international format to address current issues facing the industry. We don't know what this might mean 5 years from now, but there's no doubt this year's topic is the future of film, or the film industry in the digital age. So this is a first edition, a premiere, and an experiment at the same time. Which will need your feedback and our careful evaluation to establish itself. Not only for this reason, we are very much delighted that we are able to attract such high-level personalities from the film and media industry, as you will get to know this afternoon. And after having met some of them yesterday, I'm convinced they will be able to answer many of our questions about how the film industry will change and how the best to respond to the challenges now at our doorstep. In addition, we will be honored, and we are waiting for him, I don't know whether he's already there, to have Federal Minister of Cultural and Media Affairs, Mr. Bernd Neumann, to say a few words for a welcoming address. And afterwards, we are starting with Gundolf S. Freiermuth, who is our moderator to this conference, a professor of comparative media studies at the International Film School, Cologne. Before we begin, I would like to thank our partners, in particular the Medienanstalt Berlin-Brandenburg, this is the broadcasting authority of the capital region, and the MediaNet, which is the biggest network of media companies in the capital region, for their support. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the event organizers and initiators, the Berlinale and the Medienboard, I wish you an exciting afternoon. Thank you very much.